Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about radish. Number 1. Radish is a vegetable. Number 2. They are low in calories. Number 3. Radishes can be eaten raw or cooked. Number 4. Radishes are high in fiber. Number 5. Radish is often used as a garnish for dishes. Number 6. They have a slightly spicy flavor. Number 7. They are a good source of vitamin C. Number 8. Radishes grow quickly, usually in 3 to 4 weeks. Number 9. They grow underground. Number 10. It comes in various colors including red, white and purple. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.